Here's how to recover TikTok messages. It is quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, what you have to do is to open your TikTok app. And now here first I delete my TikTok messages, and then tap on your profile icon and tap on three lines which is at top center of the screen. Now click on settings and privacy at the bottom here. Here you will tap on account. Now you will see an option download your data. Just tap on that. Now you have to wait for a while. Now right here it will show you all the data you will be able to copy from TikTok. All you have to do select a file format, and once you are done just tap on request data, which is the pink button. Now after you do that it will show you that request is being processing. Now what you can do is you can just slide to the download data which is at the very top. Now you will be able to see that your data is being pending, and it might take up to 4 days, and after 4 days you might be able to find all of your data including your profile activity log and including your messages. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.